Hi guys, today I'm gonna have a Beyblade battle between my Leon, Pegasus, and my Wolf. So anyway, this is Pegasus's launcher and ripcord. This is Leon's, as you can see it's got its sticker on. And this is Wolf, so he's got his sticker on. So, we're going to have the Beyblade battle now. And two wins. First of all, we'll let Wolf go first. So, here's the arena. Let it rip. Then we'll let Leon go. And last of all, we'll set off the Pegasus. As you can see, blue one's Pegasus. Oh, Wolf is out between Pegasus and Leon. Who can make a comeback? And Leon's the winner! So, guys, I'll be posting another vid soon. Don't mind that little goofball in the side. I didn't mean to say that, but anyway,